Hello, my name is Tristan, and I will be talking about some work on uncertainty quantification in virtual cells. So first, what is a virtual cell? A virtual cell is a neural network that you see here that takes as input a perturbation and a cell type and outputs a vector of gene expressions. And the goal of a virtual cell is to simulate actual wet lab experiments but in silico. The problem with virtual cells is they are trained on actual data. So imagine this matrix of cell type and perturbation combinations, and this matrix is very large. And acquiring matrices, like data in this matrix, is extremely expensive. So for instance, we might be training our model on a couple of samples here, and we will evaluate it out of distribution. So for instance, on some unknown samples represented by these crosses. Since the data acquisition process is so expensive, we'll be really insisting on the fact that the model needs to generalize outside of previous seen cell types and perturbations. The problem is that these virtual cells have absolutely no mechanism to say the degree of confidence they have in their predictions. So there's no way essentially to know whether these crosses here correspond as something that looks like the training data and that the model will likely be familiar or good at predicting, or something that it's completely unfamiliar with. So essentially, we really don't know whether we should trust this y hat. And what we do as a solution to this problem is, rather than looking at a single y hat, we look at a distribution of these y's conditioned on cell types, perturbations, and this previously seen data, so these circles there, to predict an entire distribution, which gives us much more information. So based on this distribution, we could look at its spread and assess certainty. So for this case, the distribution is very widespread. This corresponds to an uncertain sample. Here, the distribution is much more concentrated, and therefore, its prediction is much more certain. And the way we use these uncertainty quantifications at Valence is in our downstream lab. So basically, we have a recursive feedback loop in which we use the virtual cell model to predict gene expression profiles that we then use to actually drive experiments in a wet lab, selecting the ones that could be interesting for drug discovery, for instance. And we want to use this uncertainty signal to drive this process. So for instance, we could filter the uncertain samples that are likely to be incorrect to prioritize the more certain ones for the actual wet lab experiments that are very expensive. But we could also be doing some targeted data acquisitions. So for samples for whom the predictive distribution looks like this is signal that this data is largely unknown to the model and that we might want to acquire it in a future loop. And this essentially closes the loop of recursive improvement. This is a project we've been working on at Valence. If you're interested by such projects, please feel free to reach out to us to start a conversation.